Everyone wants to know how to create PowerPoints using AI. This has never been easier than it is literally right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And this setup is going to take you like less than 10 minutes. So if you want to create amazing visuals and PowerPoints for whichever industry or business that you're in, watch this video. So if you're running Windows, this is literally the default PowerPoint presentation that you have on your computer. You can also access this through browser. I'm doing mine that's actually on my desktop. I mean, it's just straightforward as it goes. And this is a brand new, fresh PowerPoint. We're going to go over here above to the top to where it says add-ons, and we're going to click on that. There will be a little drop-down menu that appears here. You can't see mine out of like safety reasons, but you literally type in Claude by Anthropic, and by the time you even get to the A, you'll see it. It'll be the first on the list, and you simply click add. After you add it, you'll see open Claude as an option. We're going to go ahead and open that, and at the side right here, it's going to ask you to log in, do all your credentials for Claude. You go through that, and I'll show you the next step. So if you look at the bottom right now, we have Claude installed natively to our PowerPoint. Literally all I have to do now is attach data that I want to make into a presentation. So basically I want to say make this CSV into a nice presentation. And if you're a brand or a business, you can even say like your exact colors, your exact brand that you want to like input. So I don't really have brand guidelines for like my personal presentations, but even if I just wanted to say like I like keeping the colors, let's just say yellow and what's another cool color scheme? Yellow and black, I guess. We'll just go with that. All right, and I already have this file that I wanted to break up for me that I have ready for this. It's under marketing pitch. And we're just gonna give this to the newest model, which is Opus 4.6. Literally came out just like days ago. And let's see what it does in real time. So it's reading. It's looking at the content, it's saying that it could do 14 slides, and it's doing this really quickly. I'm not speeding up anything yet. If it takes a while, then yeah, to save you from boredom, I'll speed it up. And yeah, again, we just have this like very blank, boring canvas. I did do a security check on this. This is by Anthropic officially, even though it only has like 2.2 star ratings. I guess people didn't have a good experience with it. I'm wondering if that's going to change now that it's Opus 4.6, because personally I've been blown away by Opus 4.6. And we're ready. We're going to dangerously allow permissions for all this because, you know, it's okay if it creates these whole slides for me. So this was taken from a bunch of data about my like marketing and strategic partnership roles. So this kind of goes all the way from like me like running marketing for a company all the way to like strategic partnerships with like content like this. And yeah, let's just like go ahead and accept all edits, let it just create the slides freely and see what we get. So honestly, that only took a few minutes, and it shows all the work right there on the right side that it did. And at the very end, it broke it down to each slide, which it created 14 slides off of a single just data piece. It gave me the black background color scheme that it used. Again, if you're trying to like maintain brand strategy, it gave me the types of fonts. It gave me the bullets that it used, basically everything that it used. And it did a really good job. I mean, I'm not going to bore you with all my personal stuff, but like this is the first page, which is the marketing strategy partnership proposal. This would be me plus brand name, a 30-day growth pilot. Go on to the next page, the core problem, inconsistent messaging, disconnected content efforts, weak narrative cohesion. We'll go on to the next thing, which is my focus is brand narrative clarity, growth-oriented content strategy, community engagement momentum, consistent marketing cadence, systems that scale over time. Again, don't focus too heavily on like if you don't like the colors or if you don't like the way this looks, you could simply prompt it differently. If I wanted it blue and green, if I wanted it to look a little better, if I wanted anything different about this, I would go in and ask Claude to change slide 6. I would ask it to change the whole brand, whatever I wanted to do. I'm not going to do that because why would I do that right now? I'm just talking about this, but this is a game changer for basically anybody wanting to make PowerPoint slides, anywhere from college students presenting their information that they've came up with to their classes, to higher level, like you're trying to pitch a product or you're trying to pitch your business or whatever it is. Basically anybody can use this, and it uses whatever data that you can give it. You can give it a CSV, you can give it just raw text, you can give it whatever. Uses Claude to make an entire presentation for you. I guess this is a good time to say, if you watch this entire video on how to create a presentation, I am actually open to jobs right now that are in marketing, and I am open to content deals. So if you're one of those watching this video, let me know. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.